I'm back with video number 9 today on using bar models and manipulatives in order to solve math word problems. And today what we're going to do is take a look at a more complex problem which includes more than one operation. So in this word problem, we're going to start out with using some manipulatives. The one thing that I really want to emphasize is that there is no one right way to use a manipulative in order to solve a problem. So one really interesting thing that you can do is just make them available to your students and see what they come up with. This way that I'm doing it here is just how my brain was working today. What I did was take an orange Cuisenaire rod and represent the base height of each person with that rod. That's actually John's height. And then I just showed that I'm adding a little bit for Joe and a little bit more for Jack. Then I know that my leftover, my 396 centimeters, has to be divided evenly between the orange rods. So from there I can figure out each person's height. And this also relates beautifully to a bar model. So in this way of solving, I'm going to basically do the same thing as I did before. I'm just going to start with a bar that represents the shortest person's height, and then I'll just add on a little bit more for both Joe and Jack. Again, the importance of making manipulatives available to your students, I can't stress that enough. Even though it might not be necessary, there are so many benefits from allowing your students to work with math in different ways and really gain the ability to visualize it more than they can do if you are only using abstract learning or the standard algorithm in problem solving. So I encourage you to make manipulatives available and see what happens.